This is my Seeker35 running analog at 1.3 watts, 6S850 battery. As you can see, this little drone definitely performs like a 6S should. It's easily carrying a DJI Osmo Nano camera. The main reason I bought the Seeker35 was because I was so impressed with the Seeker3. Deep Space has put some very good models out, and it's very interesting to compare their performance. They seem very different because they are. Both are very fun to fly. This video has chapters, so it's easy to skip to different parts, but please stay and watch the Seeker3 part a bit. It's a very sweet flyer. I am trying to improve the mounting of my HD0 gear. I keep improving it. I fly the Seeker35 with my Orca FPV goggles.
Hello. Still with me.
This is my Seeker3 with HD0 running 200 milliwatts, a 4S650 battery. I just did an antenna extension for the VTX and repositioned the receiver.
Kickflip
You can see my cat Smokey sitting on my left side touching my throttle hand, letting me know he's there.
Rock on. Solid flight.